Hi there guys, welcome to our final presentation for our project for Orbital. So our project is entitled NUS Budget Planner. The primary goal of our website is for NUS students to monitor their budgets as well as make sure that their budget is calibrated efficiently and effectively. So as you can see, our webpage is hosted at this particular domain, nusbudgetplanner.post56.com. So once the user have logged in using his NUS password and ID as shown here, the user will be given a particular prompt. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, if this login is successful, you get a successful login, and all you have to do is just authorize your login. So once you have authorized your login, you can see that you will be accessed to this particular main page, and at this main page you can see the user's name will be displayed at the top right hand corner as shown here. And what we have to do is we can set our new budget and savings accordingly, and it will just take off from there. So for example, let's say I'm a new user and I want to set my budget to $100. So all I have to do is just put 100 and set new, and once this is successfully added, you'll be given a particular prompt as shown here. And once I've set this, I can just go about indicating whatever changes I want to make to my particular budget and expense. So for example, let's say I spend a few money for my food for the particular day, and for example, let's say I want to key in a particular description of my meals like dinner, breakfast, and lunch. So once I've done this, all I have to do is I just have to update it accordingly. As you can see, we have restricted the number of characters to 40 characters, and this will show the number of characters left as well. So all I have to do is I just have to click update, and you can see it has been updated successfully. So I can view my log to see my updates, and you can see that my balance has changed now to $85 from the initial $100. So automatically the $15 will be taken off from the balance, and I'll be left with $85 to spend. And let's say that you spend more than $85, let's say you spend $90, the program itself will prompt the user saying that you have more expenditure than balance, in which case you have to change accordingly your expenses or set a new balance. Alright, so now let's say I want to check my log. I want to see how much I've spent for the particular day. So all I have to do is click go. You can see whatever I've updated just now has been updated here, and this applies for all the other fields as well. So if I want to update my travel and give a description, it will be updated automatically. So once I'm done, I can hide this, and I'd just like to add on a few things. We have also included an exchange rate system here. The purpose of this exchange rate is for the students to see how much they have spent and all. So for example, let's say I want to check 1 Singapore dollars to Indian rupees. So all I have to do is I just press convert. So you can see that it converts to the accordingly and gives you the appropriate display. So let's say I'm done with everything, and let's say I'm at the end of my expenses, and now I want to just start a new budget. So when I want to start a new budget, all I have to do is I have to add the balance to my savings. So what this does is that this will add whatever is remaining from my balance to my savings, as shown here. So once it has been updated successfully, it gives me this prompt, savings has been uploaded successfully. And all I have to do is I just have to key in a new budget and whatsoever and start the system all over again. So we have incorporated MySQL for this particular project, and MySQL holds about 140 days worth of data. Why 140 days is because we want to store data for about 20 weeks or so. So 20 weeks is roughly about the time we spend in one semester, so we are quite confident that this can provide the necessary information the user wants to use for one particular semester itself. Right, so once the user is done with everything, once he has accessed everything and done, all he has to do is click logout for the user to exit. So once the user is exited, all his data will be stored, and all his changes will be made accordingly. So once the user is logged out, he'll be given back to this main domain page, and as you can see that we can start everything all over again. So with this, we come to the end of this presentation. Thank you all for your time and attention. Thank you.